Now Pretty Penny coming in. Now Pretty Penny coming in. Here's Romanikov approaching the stalls. 3 or 4 to move in then. Field just about ready. Cosmic Beam to move in for Brett Preble and Feather Duster. Here's Cosmic Beam going up into the gates now. So the field nearly ready. Feather Duster will be the last to come in. Filly by End Sweep. She's got the outside gate. And the Arrowfield's black and yellow colours, so they're all in now. Ready to run, 1400. Race number 3, the Kapalaran. Off they go. And Go Ruby Go, the one that was a touch slow to move, otherwise a good dispatch with Cosmic Beam. Songs of Vienna, the first couple out. Tully Bellotto showing pace from the inside, and Rinky Dink is up there with Pretty Penny and Thor's Daughter. They settle down. It's a great charge through the first 200 or 300 metres, and Songs of Vienna now kicks around them and leads at the 1,000 by 2. Pretty Penny holds second, followed by Tully Bellotto third the inside. Cosmic Beam trapped out doing some work in fourth placing, followed then by Rinky Dink in the orange. On the outside of those is